Simply add washing powder and also a little salt. This tip was taught to me by a cousin who works in the house of a wealthy man. They use it frequently. That is all they do. And it is simply incredible. Once you learn how to do it, you will not want to stop. This wonderful tip has already helped many people. So let's get started. Add approximately 4 tablespoons of washing powder and also 4 tablespoons of salt. And if you have made it this far, leave a comment below so I know you are following today's video. Next, mix well. Then add 1 glass of water and mix again until everything is completely dissolved. This tip shows instant results, immediately. After doing it for the first time, you will want to repeat it every time. Now we will need vinegar. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. To finish, we will need alcohol. If you prefer, you can use alcohol gel, which also works. Add 3 tablespoons of alcohol and mix everything very well so that the ingredients are fully combined. And everyone, I ask you to give a rating from 0 to 10 at the end of the video. Your opinion is very important. I need to know what you thought of today's video. This mixture is very easy to make and uses ingredients you already have at home. Now we will need an empty detergent bottle to make applying the product easier. We will transfer the mixture with the help of a funnel. Tell me, which city are you watching me from? I love knowing how far my videos are reaching. As soon as I finish here, I send a big hug to you all. Our mixture is now ready to use. And this mixture, everyone, is very powerful for cleaning the toilet. That's right. It has great whitening power and can remove those yellowish stains that appear over time. In addition to killing bacteria and eliminating the smell of urine, it also leaves everything with a wonderful scent. You can use it throughout the entire bathroom. Make this powerful mixture and let it sit. I am sure you will love the result. A simple and very useful tip, made with ingredients you already have at home. This is the secret that the rich would hide for a long time. Sometimes we spend money on products that are not very effective, but today, this problem ends once and for all. Tell me, what did you think of this tip? Are you going to try it or not? This was today's video. If you liked it and want to see more videos like this, comment "I want," so I know the video was relevant and can bring you more content like this. Thank you for your affection and see you in the next video.